to Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your friend Sophia. Today I'm making a delicious French crepes with custard sauce. You may also make a more savory type, but today I'm making sweet crepes. You can also make the mix ahead of time and leave it in the refrigerator overnight for your convenience. This is perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Crepes are not only a favorite for kids but also for adults like us. Before we start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add a cup of all-purpose flour along with 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and set it aside. In another mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of unbleached cane sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You may use a whisker like this, but I'm going to use my hand blender. Blend them well. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and mix it well again. Add dry mixture gradually, a little at a time, and blend it well again. Set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make the custard sauce. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of unbleached cane sugar, and a pinch of salt. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Add 3/4 cup of milk and whisk it well. Transfer it into a small saucepan over low heat until almost boiling, then remove it from the heat. Separate the yolk from the egg white. Into that, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix them well. It's almost boiling. Remove from the heat. Add a couple of tablespoons of hot milk from the saucepan and whisk to temper the egg. Add resulting egg mixture to the rest of the warm milk in the pan, whisking to combine. Cook over low heat until the sauce begins to thicken. Do not boil. Let the sauce cool slightly while assembling the crepes. It's been almost 20 minutes. Look at the consistency, nice and creamy. In a pan, lightly brush butter and heat over medium-high heat. Working quickly, pour about 2 to 3 ladles full of batter and tilt the pan to coat. Cook 1 or 2 minutes and then flip with spatula to finish cooking the other side for another minute. Look at the nice brown color. Fold it and leave it on a plate. Repeat with remaining batter. Look at this super soft crepe. If you don't like custard sauce, that's okay. Just eat them plain. Assemble the crepes on a plate and pour the custard sauce on the top. Sprinkle some confectioner's sugar. This is optional. Look at my delicious crepes. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.